Hello everyone, today we do the Bitcoin chart reading. It's 22nd July 2023, so let's have a look after the intro. Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still sitting on the first place as a market cap, 451 billion. As Ethereum Grid Index, we are on 55. We are somewhere in the middle. Well, we are not too much frightened, we are not too much excited. A little bit notch on the exciting zone, but it's not too much. Let's just go to the charts and have a look from there. So what I can say about the Bitcoin chart, what it's telling me personally, is I'm just keeping this as a diary, so that basically I'm just talking to myself. If you want to join, be my guest. Remember, this is not the financial advice. I'm not the financial advisor, and everything on this channel is just for the entertainment purposes. Okay, so what I'm saying, the Bitcoin actually hit the bottom in December 2022. We can see that from 12th of the November to about 8th of January, so through all the December, kind of just going almost the straight side trend. There was just a little bit up and down over here, but from that point onwards, it started to moving up. It's starting moving up to these days, and we hit the prices from the lowest. Let's have a look. There was around 15,000, and now we are on almost 30,000 per Bitcoin. We already hit 31,000. So when the price is going to go next? Well, I always split in a few scenarios, so then I know what to do when the scenario is going to play out. First of all, I think that the Bitcoin is still going to be moving upwards. I'm thinking that we are either starting just bigger uptrend, or maybe it's the beginning of the bull trend. You know, it's so early that basically none of us don't know where is this going to end up. As far as we can tell, definitely it's going up. So definitely, I'm thinking the prices will going to move much higher than they are, especially after the revelation with the XRP. I think that the more eyeballs will gonna come into the cryptocurrency space, the more people are gonna try to invest. And after, if the markets have much more clarity about the cryptocurrency, I think that basically there is going to be just much more money we're going to be put it in. But in the short term, what we can say, well, Bitcoin is sitting over here, and I think that can go down just to cut it off, just to the liquidation zone, just to liquidate all the people who overtrade themselves, and they just basically just counting that the Bitcoin is going to be going up, and they just don't thinking about what's going to happen if it's going to just pull few pips down. So I think that the Bitcoin have a potential to go down to about maybe 28,000, something like that. I think it's really not going to pull much more lower. Maybe if it's going to be really something new that will just going to scare the market. I think now we're just already taking the breath. I think now we're just resting before it's going to move much more higher. For now, for this moment, I'm not seeing any signs that the Bitcoin will going to be crashing down. I know that a lot of people on the other channels are predicting that now we're just going to go much more lower. No, I think actually we go much more higher. The only question is how high it's going to go. If that is the beginning of the bull market and it will going to be continue, and then we're going to kick in with the Bitcoin halving, and it's going to be like a double bull run that we're just going to see just enormous numbers, or we're just going to go some higher numbers, then it's going to be a big crash, and then we're going to rebound in 2024, run into the bull run in 2025. I think the further when you try to predict the things, the much worse prediction they are. So I'm just thinking now, definitely for me, in my diary, I'm putting that it's for buy. that it's for buy. I'm not seeing anything to sell it now, to short it. This is my opinion. Just let me know what you think. If there is the other scenario that you are trying to play out. In my opinion, we're going up. See you next time.